If HandBrake is showing the MSVCP140.DLL error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This issue is usually caused by a missing or corrupted Microsoft Visual C++ file, and the good news is that it's often very easy to resolve without complicated troubleshooting. We'll start with the most important fix, then move on to a system file check, a clean reinstall of HandBrake, and finally how to use the activity log to diagnose the problem if the app still opens. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get into it. First, install the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. This is one of the most common solutions for the MSVCP140.DLL error because HandBrake depends on Microsoft runtime libraries to run properly. To do this, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft download page for Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, and 2022. Make sure you use the official Microsoft site so you know you're getting the correct and safe installer. Once you're there, download the Visual C++ Redistributable package for your version of Windows. If you're not sure which one to choose, many users install both the x64 and x86 versions to cover all cases. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. If it asks you to repair or install, complete that process and then restart your computer. In many cases, that alone will fix the missing DLL issue and allow HandBrake to launch normally. If the error still appears after installing the redistributable, the next step is to perform a system file check, also known as SFC. This tool scans Windows for corrupted or missing system files and replaces them automatically when possible. To do this, click the Start menu and type CMD. When command prompt appears, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This part is important because the scan needs elevated permissions to check and repair protected system files. In the command prompt window, type sfc/scannow and press enter. Once the scan begins, let it run all the way through without closing the window. Depending on your system, it may take several minutes. If Windows finds corrupted files, it will attempt to repair them using cached clean copies from the system. If the MSVCP140.DLL file was affected by a broader Windows file issue, this step can restore it and fix the HandBrake error. After the scan finishes, restart your computer again and test HandBrake. If you still can't open the app or the error keeps coming back, the next best step is to reinstall HandBrake completely. Sometimes the application files themselves become damaged or the install did not finish properly. To fix that, go to Settings or Control Panel, open your installed apps list, find HandBrake and uninstall it. Once it's removed, visit the official HandBrake website and download the latest version again. Avoid third-party download sites because you want a clean and trusted installer. After downloading, install HandBrake fresh and then launch it again to see if the error is gone. A clean reinstall can replace missing application files and also make sure the correct dependencies are registered on your system. Now, if HandBrake opens even partially, you can use the activity log to diagnose what's happening behind the scenes. Open HandBrake and select the activity log icon. This log can show you useful error messages and clues about what exactly is failing. If the issue is still related to a missing DLL or runtime component, the log may confirm that. It can also help you spot whether the problem is with the app itself, a codec, or another system dependency. For advanced troubleshooting, you can copy the log details and use them when searching for a more specific fix. This is especially helpful if the basic repair steps don't solve the problem right away. So to recap, if you're dealing with the HandBrake MSVCP140.DLL error, start by installing the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable from Microsoft, then run sfc/scannow in an admin command prompt, reinstall HandBrake if needed, and check the activity log for more clues. These steps solve the issue for many users and are the safest way to get HandBrake running again. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.